Hi, I'm Griffin Cataldo, and this report is coming to you from eastern Massachusetts, where the air temperature is 56 degrees. Another mostly sunny day for us today. It was a fantastic day, little crisp today because of our southeasterly breeze in the eastern part of the state. It caused a little bit cooler temps here than it was in the western part of the state today, but overall, a fantastic day was on tap for today and will be on tap for tomorrow as well. We have a cold front coming through the region. Right now, winds are southwest right now, and so that's kind of keeping us a little bit warmer. Tomorrow it's going to switch more to the northwesterly direction, and so that will cool us down a little bit as we have a cold front coming through. There's a low pressure system to the north of us, and there's a low pressure system that's going to be south, and that's going to move into our area. So the one to the south is going to move into our area. The one to the north is going to move up to the north into Canada, and the one to the north is much stronger. So that is going to pull a lot of the potential moisture that's in the atmosphere in the air towards that way and not leave us with much moisture at all because our low pressure system is much weaker. So I think this is a very dry frontal passage, not going to have much rain, and I don't even think we're going to have much clouds to deal with, especially in the eastern part of the state as we head towards tomorrow. So tomorrow, I'd say it's kind of a partly cloudy day to start, depending on where you are. The further east, the less chance I think we're going to start with any clouds. But just know it's possible. If you're in western Mass, especially extreme western Massachusetts towards Pittsfield, you guys could certainly start with some clouds, and I expect those to persist probably till about 10 a.m. in the morning, and then after that, we really just lose whatever's left of the moisture. Low pressure then moves offshore, and we are done with any clouds and any minimal rain chances that we have. And it is still a very active fire risk that we have going on just because of the dry environments. Connecticut now in a state of emergency just so that they can have those crews and people at access just in case any more fires start. And tomorrow is going to be a very breezy day. Our cold front goes through and our low pressure that moves offshore. It's still going to be an area of lower pressure that's going to hang on. That's going to bring a pretty robust northwesterly breeze into the region. So I'd say sustained winds could be at about 15 miles per hour. Similar temps to today, maybe just a few degrees cooler before our real cold air moves in. The low pressure that moves up towards Canada, that is going to dip the jet stream and allow some cold air to flow into the region, much colder air above, and that colder air above is denser than the warmer air, so that is going to compress and descend down into our region. But I don't think it's going to happen until we talk about Sunday. So that's why tomorrow, it's certainly a colder day than today with our northwesterly breeze. It's not a warm breeze like we have today, but is it super cold? I don't think it's super cold just because our cold air has not arrived yet. Once that happens on Sunday, it'll be much colder, but there's a little bit of a change from yesterday with that. I don't think it's going to get as far south as Connecticut as I previously predicted. So I think Connecticut stays out of the cold air. Will it still be cold? Certainly, but I think you guys could still sit in the upper 50s for you guys once we head into Sunday and Monday. City of Boston, certainly cold. I expect low 50s, and that will carry into Monday. But even Monday now, it looks like our cold air is going to move back up to the north. It's going to retreat, and I think it's going to retreat a lot earlier than I previously predicted. Yesterday, I said it'd be around 3 or 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I think this could be out of here by 10 a.m. in the morning, which means we've got warm air in place, high pressure is in place, and that will warm up some of the air. So right now, most of my sources say about 49 degrees for Monday. I wouldn't be surprised if that gets upped in the next couple days. Otherwise, mostly sunny skies prevail for this forecast. No rain in the forecast for at least the next few days, and that is unfortunate just due to these fire risks that we continue to have. That's my latest forecast right now. I'll be back with another update tomorrow. Have a fantastic rest of your night and enjoy the slightly chilly conditions that we have in eastern Mass today.